Hi everyone. So last week I started playing with the MuseSounds percussion section in the MuseScore 4 beta, but I found some issues and I didn't want to post a video until those were resolved. However, I am so excited about these percussion sounds that are working that I had to show you this, as well as some of the problems I found. So here is my trip dance for MuseSounds percussion, which is really just me playing with lots of toys. Don't tell the percussionists I said that. Percussion deals with possibly the widest frequency range in the orchestra, from really deep bass drums to glockenspiel way up high. So I recommend you listen to this over a really good pair of speakers or on some decent headphones. Let's have a listen. Okay, so some good points. I really love the space that each instrument has and the ambiance. There's such a great detail to the sound. The xylophone and the glockenspiel in particular have just been shining for me. There's such nice detail of the mallets on the wood. Same there, just a beautiful sound. But actually all of the melodic instruments are worth listening to on their own. Here's the vibraphone. And marimba. Also a good sound. Another highlight is that we finally have suspended cymbal. Okay, yes, admittedly I had to create a cymbal, change its name to suspended cymbal, and then change the sound in the mixer. Where is it? Over here, suspended cymbal, right. I had to go and do all of those, but I'm sure that MuseScore will have an update soon that has a dedicated instrument now that they have the samples. It's a similar case for these taiko drums. I had to create these Chinese tom-toms and change the instrument, but it seems to work well, and I love the sound. It's fantastic. This tambourine sound is also a highlight for me, with smooth transitions between the shakes and hits. Okay, some criticisms. The taiko is supposed to have the option of skin or rim, and I thought these cymbals might do it, but no joy yet. They're going to be fantastic once they have that. Sticking with the taikos, when I added these SFs here, it made a crescendo up to the SF, so hence the extra mezzo piano marking. No problem after that though. Weird. I'm not sure if these cymbals are recognizing the tie in these rolls. I suspect it's triggering the sound again, which is not ideal. Also, I really want to choke that cymbal off, but again, we can't access that sound yet, and the same for the piatti over there. We want to choke, but not yet. The snare drum, not a bad sound in the piano. However, these rolls just immediately become forte. A little disappointing, but we'll get fixed. I would love to be able to play with the vibraphone pedal on and off. No, not happening yet. The mark tree, which also doesn't have an instrument in MuseScore 4, but hopefully will. The mark tree is also supposed to be able to gliss up or down. Not seeing that yet. And the triangle is meant to have muted and open sounds. But it's just the one. So it hasn't been implemented in MuseScore yet. Some other testers have mentioned some more modern techniques like bowing the vibraphone, which could make great future additions to this library. And there's so many extended techniques for percussion. We could go on for days. However, there are so many sounds in the library that I just haven't even got to yet. Like timbales, gong, sleigh bells, field drum, claves, castanets, cabasa, bongos. I think I might have to do a South American review at some point. So, I already love these percussion sounds, and I look forward to the fantastic additions that are still to be implemented, mostly from the MuseScore side. I think these sounds could be a delicate shimmer on top of an orchestra, but they can also bring some epic power to your music when required. We're running out of MuseScore packs to look at. It's just keys and harp to go.